When it comes to how you utilize your tax refund, there's no one size fits all approach. Everyone's life is different and everyone's financial situation is different. Today, I'll share some things for you to consider when ultimately making your final decision. First, consider if you have high interest debt. Debt is not your friend and can be the antithesis to having the cash flow you desire and ultimately building wealth. If you have high interest debt, consider using some of your tax refund to pay off or pay down this debt. Maybe you don't have any high interest debt. Then you should consider building your emergency reserves. This means adding money into your savings account. A guideline is to have 3 to 6 months worth of your expenses saved. If you're not there yet, consider depositing some of your refund into your emergency reserves. If your reserves are sufficient, then we can have some fun. If you don't have high interest debt and have sufficient emergency reserves, you may want to consider making a contribution to a Roth IRA. A Roth IRA is an individual retirement account that allows you to grow your money potentially tax-free. It provides flexibility for those who want to retire early, as you can take your contributions out at any time. It also provides a source of funds that can be utilized for potentially tax-free lump sums of money in retirement. Before you contribute, make sure you are within the income requirements to be able to contribute. If you have no high interest debt, have sufficient emergency reserves, and are already maxing out a Roth IRA, you may consider contributing to a slush fund. A slush fund serves as an extension to your emergency reserves and is a great way to save for intermediate term goals. You know, those goals that are not immediate but will occur before retirement. A slush fund can be an individual or joint brokerage account, and it's an investment account. You put tax money into the account, and you may pay taxes on your earnings when you withdraw the funds. Contributing to a slush fund is a great way to move the needle when it comes to saving for your life goals. Like contributing to a slush fund, you may consider making an extra contribution to your child's 529 account or opening a 529 account if saving for education is a priority for your family. Last but not least, use a portion of your refund to do something that brings you quality of life. While having financial goals is great, you want to have a balance in having quality of life now and in the future. Go to that restaurant you've been waiting to go to. Have that spa day. Take that fishing trip. Do something that'll put a smile on your face. Well, I hope these tips gave you something to think about. If you haven't done so already, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your notifications for more content like this.